What a fine day it is, isn't it, everybody? To watch a tutorial video, I mean. And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can buy Theta crypto in Binance. Now, for those people who do not know Binance, Binance is the world's top cryptocurrency exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And since it's the world's top cryptocurrency exchange, a lot of people use it to buy and sell crypto. And in this video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can buy Theta, which is also a crypto. So you guys can easily buy it in Binance. Now with that said, if you guys want to sign up into Binance, I will leave a referral link in the description, which you guys use. You guys can get up to $10 bonus for signing up into it. Now with that said, let's jump into the video now, shall we? So the first step is you want to go to Binance.com and log in into your account. And yeah, if you guys are new to our channel, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial for future videos just like this. With that said, let's jump into the video. Again, go to Binance.com, log in into your account, then go on trade, and then go on classic. Now, I like to go on classic because I find classic easy. But if you find other, one like the, advanced one easy, then you can go there as well. But if you're a beginner, I would suggest you classic. And over here where it says search, you want to search for THETA, Theta, because that's what we want to buy. And after you write Theta, there's going to be a lot of shown over here. So you want to choose which crypto you want to use. I want to use USDT, so I'm going to click on Theta/USDT. After you do that, scroll a bit down and go on market. Market basically means you guys are going to buy Theta at its current price, which is in its market price, all right? And enter the number of Theta you want to buy, and then click on buy Theta, and the Theta will be bought. And if you guys know how to use limit and stop limit, you can as well, but market is easy, all right? So if you guys found our video helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial. And if you guys have any question, feel free to ask us in the comment. Binance link is in the description. Use it to sign up to get up to $10 bonus. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.